Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are making the most delicious coconut smoothie. Coconut is one of my favorite foods and I am so excited to make it into this delicious and healthy smoothie. So let's get started. We are using a fresh young coconut in our smoothie, but if you cannot find one in your supermarket, you can always just use coconut water and try to find some frozen coconut meat in your freezer section. But today I got lucky and I found a fresh, beautiful coconut. Another thing I recommend, because I find it is such a pain to open these coconuts, is usually in the store they will do it for you, so you just have to ask, because it'll save you a lot of time and effort. And now my coconut's almost open. I just have to cut off the top where the meat is. And I'm going to be using everything in this coconut in my smoothie. I love fresh coconut meat. It's one of my favorite foods on the planet, I think. And it's so good for you. And we are going to add all of our coconut water to our blender. Next, you're going to want to scoop out the coconut meat from the inside of your coconut. Like so. I just recommend using a spoon and you get all this delicious coconut meat. And then just add it into your blender and don't eat all of it. This is a little bit of an arm workout, but I promise you it is worth it. And now that I've got as much meat out of my coconut as I can add in my banana. And you can use 1 to 2 bananas, and I really recommend using frozen bananas because this adds a really nice creaminess to your smoothie. But if you don't have frozen bananas on site, you can just add in some ice and use fresh bananas. I'm also going to add about 1/2 cup of ice because as it's a really hot day, my banana is starting to de-thaw and I want a really nice cold smoothie. And next I have 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds, because this adds some good protein to your smoothie, as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the last ingredient I'm adding in is some almond milk, and I have a 1/4 cup of almond milk today that's going in. You can also use coconut milk or any milk of your choice on this one. I just like using almond milk because it's a really nice light milk. And now we can blend our smoothie all together. You're really going to want to blend your smoothie together for a few minutes on high speed to make sure that all of the pulp from our coconut gets really blended up, so it's not super chunky, because we don't like a chunky smoothie here. And now I actually took a glass out, but then I realized in the spirit of coconut, I want to drink out of my coconut. Okay, and here we have our coconut smoothie in a coconut. And now the best part, getting to taste it. I'm scared that I overfilled it a little bit, so I'm gonna do this very carefully. Wow, this is so good. It's so tropical and so refreshing because it's so hot outside today. I need something real refreshing like this delicious coconut smoothie. So please let me know if you try it and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you love healthy smoothies as much as I do, I should have a playlist right here or over here of all of my smoothie recipes that you can check out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next Sunday. Cheers! And don't forget to stop back in next Sunday because we are making a delicious and healthy turmeric smoothie.